Hello. Today we have a glaze kiln. Let's see what came out. All right. Okay. So if you're wondering what this is, I have this mirror that I don't like the frame. So I've decided that I'm gonna make like little flowers, and I'm gonna just glue those little flowers on the frame of the mirror. So I'm just gonna take this because I have no patience to take them all each one at a time. And oh, that's nice.
Well, it looks good.
Yeah, this I made to a restaurant that they wanted me to make something for, you know, like when you go to a bar and you eat like olives with, you drink it with the beer, you know, like olives or whatever. So this is also came out nice. This is dotted beige, and this is nice. I like it. I like them all. I like them. I really do. Okay, so that's the same. This, I don't know. Sometimes I do things. I'm not sure. Nobody's perfect.
What happened?
It broke, but nobody's perfect. Okay, this I like. It's underglaze, green dot underglaze. That if I don't put clear glaze on it, it stays brown, and I like it.
Looks natural. Like
Yeah, it looks natural. All right. Next. Ooh. You're cute. Can you see anything?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna move. I like it. Is that the one? Yeah, I made a hole here. I'm gonna hang like a bell here on his hat. You don't say hat. How do you say it in English? I forgot. Oh, that's another one. Freckles. I like those freckles. I think they're cute. Cute freckles. All right. More.
Samples for the restaurant.
Samples for the restaurant, yeah. And more samples for the restaurant. Hey, what happened here? You see that? I'm not gonna stop moving. This. I don't know. But I really do like them all.
Yeah. They look good.
This one too. And this one
Beautiful.
too. Yeah. I really do like them. Alright. Okay. Okay. Now, this is also little flowers.
How do you create the shell?
The shell? Oh. I actually once I had a shell, and I took a shell, a real shell, and I made like a mold. Like I took plaster and I like put in the plaster, and this is how I created this. And it's good because when you put the clay inside the plaster, it easily comes out. So it's it's nice. I like it. Okay.
Wow, it's a nice ball.
You see?
Yeah. See the side of it?
Wow. Came out amazing.
Yeah.
Really.
It's nice brown.
Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. it's not that heavy as well. You don't like heavy balls that I make. Oh, let's see. Oh, is that a good size for you, Johan?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Look on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a nice
Beautiful.
mug, yeah.
Yeah. It's our lemon ginger mug. That's another one.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Beautiful, yes.
Yeah, the same.
Yep. Same glaze. And oh, I like it. It's hot. Because beautiful. Wow. And sometimes I'm so proud of myself. Amazing. I feel proud of myself. Okay. Oh, now I see. I had one of those flowers. When I loaded the kiln, it fell here. But I didn't see it. Oh, look at that. I thought it would ruin the kiln, and I said to myself, it was all the way at the top, and I said, how am I gonna get it? How am I gonna get it? And I said, oh, I'm just gonna deal with it later, and nothing happened. Amazing. Nice. I like that green. You see, if you want to see the difference, is how it's the differences between the white or cream clay and black clay. So it's the same glaze,
Mm-hmm. Different clay.
but here it looks completely green, and here it looks greenish inside and sort of like mustard, like outside. So I like those two effects. I like it. That's one. All right. Oh, more flowers. I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, wow. That I actually made with my daughter. Where's the hole? Oh, here's the hole. I made a hole here
To hang it on the wall.
to hang it on the wall.
That's a nice plate. Yeah.
Right, hey?
Beautiful.
Yeah. And this is the rest. Look at that.
Cute.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna pick them up later. I just wanted to show you what came out, and then I'm gonna deal with it later. All right, so we have another seahorse, and that's I think that's how do you call it? It's a seal, and that's
Octopus.
octopus. Oh yeah, and that's another octopus that I like. Oh, these are just drops.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. I'm happy about this kiln.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything turned out exactly as I wanted. So, thank you for watching. You can subscribe. You can make comments. You can share. That's it. Have a great day, and bye from Cyprus.